Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with James. I am your host James. Today, another simple and delicious cook. We are going to be doing the American classic cheeseburgers and fries in the Ninja Speedi. This is going to be super quick. Let's go ahead and get into the cook. Okay, so this is going to be really easy, but what I want to say first, so I've already made one patty. I'm going to make another one here in a second. So with the way that we're cooking these are going to be 1/3 of a pound. So 1 pound, that's 3 patties, a third, simple math. So, and the reason why is because the way we're cooking them, I'm using 80-20, so 80% burger, 20% fat. If you're gonna make quarter pounders, this size is going to shrink a lot. So, now if you're gonna use 85-15 or 93-7, it's more leaner, you know, you could do quarter pound patties, but if you do a quarter pound, they're going to shrink a lot versus these are going to be more meaty. So anyway, we got our burgers here. We're going to do 2. You could fit more, but we're going to do 2. We're also going to be using some beef stock. If you don't have beef stock, don't even worry about it. You can use water instead. I'll show you what that's for. And then we're going to go with the simple frozen fries, Orita. Whatever kind of fries you like. You can do homemade. Cut your own fries and put them here if you want. Got some cheese, got some lettuce, tomatoes, all kinds of other stuff that we're going to put on here, but I'll cut all that stuff off camera. I'm going to set this to the side now. We're going to make this patty. This is 1/3. Go ahead and get in there. Now you want these patties fairly thick, because like I said, they will shrink. They are going to shrink a little bit. So 1/3, go ahead and round the edges off real quick. Get them nice and uniform-ish. I'll take our other hand here, and then just season them up with whatever you like. I actually got some Montreal steak, so you can use salt, pepper, barbecue seasoning, whatever you like. Go ahead and just season those up. And like I said, I'm going to go ahead and cut up the tomatoes and the lettuce and the onions and all that stuff off camera. I don't need to show you how to do that, but that's it. That's the prepping. And obviously we got some cheese and other stuff, so let's go ahead and go to the Ninja Speedi. Okay, so here we are at the Ninja Speedi. I'm just going to show you what we're using, which is just the regular roasting pan it comes with, and we will be using this on the top rack. So the first thing that we want to do is go in with some high heat oil. And what I'm going to be using actually is spray, if you can see that, but it is avocado oil spray. You can use vegetable or any high heat oil that you want. I like the spray, it just sticks better in the bottom of the pan. And then we're just going to go ahead and give it a quick little squirt on the bottom. Not a lot, just barely coat the bottom. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and close the top. We will turn this thing on. Now we want it over here on the rapid cook. So we got air fry and then we got rapid cook. On the buttons down here, we're going to drop it down to steam and crisp. We're going to set our temperature at 375. We're going to set our minutes at 15. We're going to hit start. This is going to preheat, takes about 2-3 minutes, and we'll be right back and throw this stuff on. Okay, so we just got done preheating. As you can see, once it's done preheating, it starts counting down. So it's done preheating. We're going to open this thing up at 1445. Ooh, and it is hot in there now. What we want to do, we're going to go in with our beef stock. Now, about a 1/2 cup or so to 3/4, and the reason why, it's going to be sizzling. There we go, about a half to 3/4 of the cup, just enough to kind of get the bottom, not even all the way full, just a little bit. All we're trying to do is cool down the bottom so the hamburgers cook the same time, or they're done the same time the fries are done. So now we've got our lovely burgers here, 1/3 of a pound monsters. Good deal, there's one. And we will put the second one in there as well. Alright, if you're doing quarter pounders, you can easily fit 4. But that's what we're looking at there. So now we are going to use the crisper tray. Go ahead and pull the little things out on the side. Set that right on top. Now go ahead and fit as many fries as you want. Right on the top there. We're going to get a nice portion. I got a few sitting over here too. put all those fries in. We're gonna go ahead and close the top, let this thing resume, and we'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, so we just passed the 2-minute mark, so it's been 12 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up and take a look. And of course, like always, those are beautiful, perfect, and crispy. Woo. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these off, salt them, put them on a plate, and show you the burgers. Okay, we got the fries off. You see over here to the side. Now we are going to take this top off and take a look at the burgers. They are looking absolutely perfect. A couple of fries fell down there, no big deal. And now we're gonna go in with our cheese. I'm using American cheese. Use whatever kind of cheese that you like. Now there is a key to this because we're gonna close this for about 30 seconds to get this cheese melted. And you can't just put the cheese on there and close it because that fan's blowing so hard it'll actually blow the cheese off. So I got a couple of toothpicks, just gonna break them in half, and then we are going to put the toothpicks in each side of the cheese. I'll show you here real quick. So one over here, so one here, same thing, just to hold the cheese on. We're gonna close this up for about 30 seconds to get the cheese melted, then we'll go back and build it. But we're not done, I got something for you, see you in a minute. All right, so we got our burger here. This thing is fire, cooked perfectly. So now we're gonna dress it up real quick. Now you can use anything that you want. I'm gonna go in, I got some mayonnaise. I'm gonna put mayonnaise on both sides. If you don't want mayonnaise, don't use mayonnaise. Now, the other thing I went to look for is some ketchup, and I was out of ketchup. Don't laugh, it ain't funny, but I went to my cupboard and I found a little nifty, from Wendy's or something. Wendy's and wherever this is from. A couple packets of ketchup. Go ahead and, I think one's good. One little packet of ketchup right on top there. Oh yeah. Now obviously use whatever you want. Let's go ahead and put this, oh my gosh, that thing is bigger than the bun. Alright, now we're gonna go in with some onion. Oh, this is gonna be so good. And then go in with some tomato. Oh baby. And then some of that lettuce. That lettuce on top there. Ooh, another crispy lettuce. I don't know. And you could throw a bacon and avocado. I ain't gotta tell you, you know what to add to your burgers, but anyway, does that look delicious? I'ma say yes. And these fries are piping hot and perfect and crunchy. Oh, just perfect. I'm gonna throw these together. We're actually gonna go up top. I'm gonna take a bite, make sure this burger's cooked all the way. Sure it is. See you in a minute. All right, so we're finished, and it is the moment of truth. Oh my, so, because we just wanna make sure, you know, the burger's cooked all the way through. Oh my goodness, this thing. Oh my goodness. I was gonna say, that is amazing. So 12 minutes done, burgers done, fries done, crispy, and delicious, super awesome. So that's how you do burgers and fries and then into Speedy, and it's all done in about 12 minutes. Awesome. So if you are new to the channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave an awesome comment. With that being said, we will catch you on the next cut. Thanks for watching.